diesel. It's the top of the range, R design, in absolutely lovely condition, gleaming black metallic, privacy glass to the rear, park distance control, there's a Twitter then, tow bar, got your roof racks, twin exhausts, full R design body styling kit, wheels are in lovely condition, huge boot area, got the luggage cover there, individual R design interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlights, cruise control, climate controls nice and cold. I've just had it on, 6-speed gearbox. It's done 97,755 miles. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.